Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian fried rice without chicken stock. Begin by parboiling your long-grain rice and allowing it to cool completely. This prevents stickiness. Next, chop all your fresh vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and bell peppers, into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Finally, prepare your chosen protein, like shrimp or beef, ensuring it's ready to be added. To create a rich flavor without chicken stock, start by sautéing finely chopped onions, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. This aromatic base is crucial. Then, stir in spices like curry powder, dried thyme, and a pinch of salt to enhance the depth of flavor. Instead of chicken stock, use a good quality vegetable broth or water combined with vegetable bouillon cubes for a savory liquid. Now, in a large pan or wok, stir-fry your prepared vegetables and protein until they are tender crisp. Next, add the cooled parboiled rice to the pan, mixing everything thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Continue to cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the rice is heated through and slightly toasted, developing that signature fried rice texture. For the final touches, stir in a splash of soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil to elevate the flavors. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a little more salt or a pinch of chili flakes for heat. Garnish your delicious Nigerian fried rice with chopped green onions or fresh parsley before serving. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.